welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Sandra from Makesales, and today I'll be taking on a quick guide on how to create a product collection. Now, once you have logged into your account, on the left hand side of your screen, you navigate to the product tab and then you click on it. Once you click on it, a page is displayed like this, and on the upper part of your screen, you get to see products and collection. We would like to create a collection, so you click on the Create Collection tab. Once the page is displayed, if you had created a collection before, you get to see them arranged as you are seeing displayed on your screen. But since we're creating a new product collection, you click on the upper part of your screen. On the right hand side, you see the Add Collection button, and then you click. A mini tab is displayed like this for you, where you get to fill out the collection name and also a brief description as to what the collection is about. Let's say for this tutorial, we want to click on trousers, and we are going to write our description. So once you're done filling in the collection name and also a brief description for the collection, you click on the Create Collection button. Once you have created that collection, you get to appear on the top part of your screen, as you can see over here. And just like that, you have successfully created a collection. And if you would like to edit that collection that you have created, all you need to do is to come to this edit button by the end right side of your screen, and then you click on it. Once you click on it, the mini tab is displayed for you again, where you can edit the collection name and also the description. And once you are done doing that and you have confirmed that everything is correct, you click on the update collection to store that particular information. And also, if you would like to make the collection visible or hidden to your customers, all you need to do is to click on this action button. Once you click on it, that particular collection gets hidden or inactive to your customers, so your customers cannot see it. But if you want it to be visible and active, all you need to do is to click on it to indicate the active button, and it gets visible to your customers. And obviously you're going to see the status of each collections that you have created there, if they are visible or they are hidden to your customers. So that is how you can create a collection on the Make Sales platform via web. See you in our next tutorial. Bye.